What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be demonstrating the new Dermablend Illuminating Banana Setting Powder. I have been using this for about a week and I have been really enjoying it. Spoiler alert. And this video is sponsored by Dermablend today, so thank you so much to Dermablend for sponsoring this video. I wouldn't be doing this video if I really didn't believe in this product, so that tells you a lot. And like I said, I've been really enjoying this product and I'm going to be showing you how I use it. So this is the packaging. It's super simple and this is how it looks. Also came with a puff, which I will be demonstrating in the video as well. But I wanted to put some of this powder on my fingers, so smooth. And I'm going to be applying it on the skin and show you guys the illuminating effect that it has. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's really pretty. This powder retails for $27 and it has 18 grams of product, which I think is a pretty good amount of product, to be honest, compared to other brands that are out there. I'll also be showing you how I applied the Dermablend Flawless Creator Foundation. But yeah, if you guys want to see how the Dermablend Illuminating Banana Powder works, then just keep on watching. So for foundation, I'm also going to use the Dermablend Flawless Creator Multi-Use Liquid Pigment. So it is like a dropper type of foundation and it is very thick, as you guys can see. But what I really like about this foundation is that you can build it up to the coverage that you want. So say you want the minimum coverage, you just use 1 drop. If you want a little more coverage, 2 to 3 drops. And then for maximum full coverage, you use 4 drops. And I love my full coverage, so we're gonna do 4 drops. And I'm using the shade 25N if you guys were wondering. I'm gonna use my beauty blender. So go ahead and shake the foundation well. All right, so that looks pretty full coverage. I'm gonna go ahead and dot this all over in the face. So that was about 2 to 3 drops and it is full coverage, you guys. It really did a great job at covering like my hyperpigmentation and redness that I had all over my face. So this is absolutely beautiful and it sets really fast and it's like a satin. Oh, it's so beautiful. I definitely recommend this foundation, you guys. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my concealer and everything, and then we're gonna go ahead and try out the illuminating banana powder. All right, you guys, I applied my concealer. Now we're going to set everything and I'm gonna use the Dermablend Illuminating Banana Powder. And this powder is so beautiful, you guys. It has such a beautiful luminosity that doesn't give it like that glittery look or anything like that. It's so pretty and it's super fine. What I love about this powder is that it is not ashy whatsoever, because looking ashy is not cute, people, let me tell you. So it is a beautiful powder that is gorgeous on any skin tone. It gives you that luminosity and it doesn't make you look ashy. Like I said, it doesn't wash you out or anything like that. It has like this warmness to it, which is so beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it with the little sponge that it came with. I usually apply it with my beauty blender, but I'm gonna go ahead and use the sponge that it comes with. It's very nice sponge. It's very velvety feeling. So I'm gonna go ahead and dip into the powder. This powder is so finely milled and it is super beautiful and soft. So you guys can see the difference. Here's one side, just without, and the other side. I'm gonna set my chin as well, Cupid's bow, and my nose. I usually don't set the rest of my face, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to show you guys that you can also set your whole entire face with this powder and it just gives you this beautiful luminosity. So I'm going to use this Royal Nickel fluffy brush and it's really fluffy. I'm just going to go ahead and dip into it, tap off any excess, and then I'm just going to lightly dust this all over. And as you can see, it's a really pretty glow to the skin. It is so pretty. I'm obsessed. I'm gonna do the rest of my face off camera and I will be right back. I'm back. So that was it, you guys, for this video using the Dermablend Illuminating Banana Setting Powder. I mean, what do you guys think? I absolutely recommend it. I wouldn't, you know, make this video if I didn't believe in this product. Like I said, I've been using it for a little over a week and I've been really enjoying it. And like I said, it's very beautiful for any skin tone, which is the best part of all of this. And also the foundation is really nice. I really recommend it as well. So yeah, that was it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I also want to say a big thank you once again to Dermablend for sponsoring this video. I've been really enjoying these products, so thank you so much. I will leave a direct link down below for the Dermablend setting powder if you guys are interested, as well as the foundation. I will also leave all of my other social media links down below so you guys can follow me on there. Leave in the comments down below if you guys enjoyed this video, or are you going to check out this powder. Like I said, it is amazing, so I really hope that you guys do. As always, don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave in the comments down below if there's anything else you guys would like to see. And I don't have anything else to say except I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.